Hey everyone, today I'm sharing my quick review of LockedIn AI, a tool that's been a game changer for job interviews. Let's dive in. LockedIn AI is an awesome app that helps you nail interviews. It's like having a coach right there with you, giving real-time tips and answers during your interview. Whether it's a tech job, finance, or marketing, this tool has you covered. What I love most, it listens to the interviewer's questions and it instantly suggests answers on your screen. It's super discreet, so no one knows you're using it. Plus, it works in 42 languages, which is great if you're applying for jobs abroad. It can also help you build your resume and practice with mock interviews. I used it in a tech interview and the coding tips were spot on, helping me stay calm and confident. Now, it's not perfect. You need a good internet connection and the premium plans can be a bit pricey, but there is a free trial so you can test it out first. Overall, LockedIn AI boosts my confidence and helped me prep like a pro. If you're job hunting, give it a try. It's worth it. That's it for my quick review, guys. Let me know in the comments if you've tried LockedIn AI, and I'll see you in the next video.